Months after Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico, many areas have been cleaned up and repaired. But many other areas still have tons of debris to be cleared. A lot of buildings are unusable and communities split. Communities like Antigua, where the river Hua overflowed and washed away the pedestrian bridge.
When the storm happened, it was flooded, and it actually reached about 20 meters up to almost the blue part of the house. So that really affected almost all these houses are abandoned, people can't live in them, and it's really sad.
ESF students assisted engineering students from the University of Texas El Paso in the rebuilding project.
So today we've been moving rocks from down along the beach closer to help build the foundation for the bridge.
Yeah, get all this dirt out of it.
It was one of several work sites for the 14 ESF students.
I've been helping picking up brush along the beach and in front of these villas and shingles that have fallen off of the roofs and piling them up so people can truck them out at a later date.
And what's the importance of working at this site?
So this was a resort and people work at this resort, and so people rely on this for a job, and it's important for the economy of Puerto Rico because a lot of it is tourism.
ESF partnered with SUNY Albany and SUNY Maritime College, staying on their ship, the Empire State 6. More groups of SUNY students will travel to Puerto Rico to continue the recovery and rebuilding efforts.